Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Just a little follow-up on the Black Headed Caique babies. They're reaching to the age where they've not got long left to go, ready for the new homes. I have been trying to get them to start eating by themselves. So far, they do nibble on seeds, and they're very good with their fruit and veg, but just need them to get fully independent on seeds. So just decided to take them out, just leave various seeds in front of them and see if they'll peck at it. Oh, thanks for that. And so far, no luck. Seems more interested in playing. Where are you two off to? Alright, I might give them some fruits and veg because they don't seem interested in the seeds at all. And you keep jumping on my phone. He's the baby, so he's probably looking for some feed, some hand feed. But I'm trying to get away from that. Hey. Alright, so plan failed. You seem more interested in playing around and investigating than actually wanting food, which is quite surprising because it is the morning. They've not had their morning feed. Give them some fruits and veg, but no interest. He's nibbling on some peanuts. They just seem to play with it and just walk off. So, I might have to give them some feed this morning and try again another day. Will you stop flying on my phone? Thank you. Right again, I guess we'll try again tomorrow. Thanks guys for watching anyway. Just want to give you a quick heads up on how these babies are doing. Not long left until they're ready for the new homes. Alright, thanks again for watching and subscribe.